Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Arena 2 token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Arena 2 ATWO is a decentralized interactive sports and entertainment platform that lets fans use tokens to vote and influence live event outcome in real time. Interactive sport platform. Fans use the ATWO tokens to vote on in-game decision, stake on teams, and earn rewards, transforming passive viewing into active participation. Multi-utility token. The ATWO token powers voting, staking, access to exclusive content, and platform governance, creating a circular economy within the ecosystem. Built on Base blockchain, the platform runs on Base and Ethereum layer 2 for low-cost fast transactions, ensuring a seamless experience for global users. Arena 2 token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Arena 2 token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, STX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.